The Israel Defense Forces announced on Wednesday the deaths of 3 soldiers during fighting in Gaza the previous day as major military operations continued in Rafah in the southern strip and Jabalia in the north. The fallen soldiers were identified as Staff Sergeant Amir Galilov, 20, from Shimshit, Staff Sergeant Uri Bar-Or, 21, from Midreshet Ben Gurion, and Staff Sergeant Ido Appel, 21, from Zofar. According to an initial IDF investigation, the 3 were killed by an explosion in a booby-trapped building in Rafah. All 3 served in the Nahal Brigade's 50th Battalion. Their deaths bring the total number of IDF troops killed in the ongoing ground offensive against Hamas in Gaza and border operations to 291. The same incident also seriously wounded an officer and 2 soldiers from the 50th Battalion, while another officer sustained moderate injuries. On Tuesday, an officer and soldier from the Combat Engineering Corps, 614th Battalion, was seriously wounded in a separate incident while engaging with terror operatives in northern Gaza. Additionally, a soldier from the elite Yahalom Combat Engineering Unit was seriously injured, and 3 other soldiers were lightly and moderately hurt by a blast in a booby-trapped tunnel shaft in southern Gaza. Earlier on Wednesday, a soldier from the multi-domain unit, also known as the Ghost Unit, was seriously injured in northern Gaza, the IDF reported. The military released footage showing an airstrike targeting an operative with an RPG in northern Gaza's Jabalia. The operative was identified by troops from the 636th Combat Intelligence Correction Unit before the strike was executed. A second airstrike was conducted shortly after, targeting another operative in the same area. IDF troops in Jabalia have faced heavy RPG fire during recent operations. The military also reported locating and demolishing several tunnel shafts, dozens of rocket launchers, and a weapons cache adjacent to a mosque. For the first time on Tuesday, Israeli tanks reached the center of Rafah, according to witnesses. The UN Agency for Palestinian Refugees reported that more than 1 million people have fled Rafah since Israel began its offensive in the city on May 6. Meanwhile, the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies called for a ceasefire and unimpeded humanitarian access to the Gaza Strip on Wednesday. Despite mounting international pressure, Israel maintains that its military operation in Rafah is essential to its objectives of eliminating Hamas and securing the release of hostages taken during the group's October 7 attack.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.